We'll guide you through how to select a language in Duolingo. Quick disclaimer: you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Duolingo app on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app launches, log into your Duolingo account using your email address, username, or a connected account such as Google, Apple, or Facebook. After signing in, wait for the home screen to load completely before moving to the next step. When the home screen is ready, look for the current course indicator or flag icon displayed near the top section of the screen. Tap or click the flag icon to open the language course menu. This menu shows the language courses currently connected to your account. Take a moment to review the list of languages that have already been added. Next, select the Add Course option or tap the plus icon to browse additional language choices. Duolingo will display a list of available languages that you can study. Scroll through the language options until you find the one you want to learn. Once you locate your preferred language, tap it to continue. Before officially adding the course, review the information provided about the language, including any details about the course structure or difficulty level. After reviewing the information, tap the Start Course or Continue button to confirm your selection. Duolingo will then begin loading the chosen language course, so wait a few seconds while the process completes. When the course opens, begin working through the lessons and continue progressing in the new language course you selected. After the course has been added successfully, confirm that the new language now appears on your home screen alongside your other courses. If you want to move between languages, tap the flag icon or course icon again and choose the course you wish to study. This makes it easy to switch from one language to another whenever needed. If you decide to learn additional languages in the future, simply repeat the same process by opening the language menu, selecting Add Course, choosing another language, and adding it to your Duolingo account. You can manage multiple language courses at any time.